Hello friends, welcome back. So today I am going to discuss with you future stocks which are going to be multi-baggers with asset light model and have high growth drivers for the next 5 years. So what is asset light model? First of all, let's discuss that. Asset light model is that where the capex required is very less. जहाँ पे कंपनी को ज़्यादा बिल्डिंग्स या ऑफिस पे खर्चा नहीं करना पड़ता. दे डोंट हैव एनी हैवी capex requirement like the infrastructure companies have or other companies have, right? So सबसे पहले डिस्कस करने से पहले I want to give you a disclaimer that this presentation is for educational purposes only and I am not a SEBI registered stock or financial advisor. So please do your own research before buying any stock or consult your financial advisor. So let's discuss. So first is IRCTC. Friends, I made this slide actually yesterday, but could not record due to some technical error. And this stock has already run up 4-5% today. But it's okay because we are buying it for 5 years. तो आप देख सकते हैं IRCTC सबको पता ही है, मतलब गाड़ी चलने का इंतज़ार कर रही थी और आज चल भी पड़ी और होप इसकी रफ्तार चालू रहेगी. तो इसकी प्रमोटर होल्डिंग 67% है. तो इंडिया में ये मोनोपोली बिजनेस है फॉर ऑनलाइन रेलवे टिकट बुकिंग. And then it has online food booking, we all know, and it has started operating on the tourism packages as well. इसकी कई ट्रेन्स चलती हैं, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में भी चलती हैं, ऑल ओवर इंडिया टूरिज्म का भी है, रिलीजियस प्लेसेस का भी है, विच आर अ वेरी गुड रेवेन्यू जनरेटर फॉर इट एंड दे आर हाई इन डिमांड एंड दे आर रिजनेबल ऑन इन चार्जेस एज वेल. तो ऑनलाइन बुकिंग ऑफ अदर सर्विसेज लाइक एयर टिकट्स, बस एंड होटल सर्विसेज आर ऑलरेडी देयर. Actually, good levels to buy are around 1600 to 1650, but it has already run up. So around 1700 levels, it is okay if it comes back, but you can do the SIP in these kind of stocks. Short term is negative, definitely due to the COVID-19, but people are not looking into that. Hotel stocks, even airline stocks are not coming down because everybody knows once this unlock 2.0 happens, तो सब कुछ will be back to normal again. People are waiting to go back to their tourist places and they are fed up sitting at homes. और कई लोग तो अपने रिश्तेदारों से भी नहीं मिल पाए, एक साल 2 साल हो गए हैं, तो डिमांड तो रहेगी ही. तो इसकी थोड़ा वैल्यूएशन देख लेते हैं. वैल्यूएशंस आर, ऑल दीज स्टॉक्स आर हैविंग हाई वैल्यूएशंस और सबके प्राइसेस भी थोड़ा रन अप हो चुके हैं. तो बी केयरफुल वाइल बाइंग एंड डोंट गेट इमोशनल, डू योर ओन रिसर्च. तो इसका प्राइस टू बुक वैल्यू इज 20, पी मल्टीपल्स आर 53 to 54, ROC is very good. ROC is return on the capital employed 62% है इसका, ROE 44% है. डिविडेंड यील्ड कोई ज़्यादा नहीं है, but still it is a very good stock. So let's discuss some charts. If you say it's 20 EMA Sport is at 700 INR on a weekly chart. इसका मंथली चार्ट इज नॉट सो क्लियर बिकॉज ज़्यादा देर इसको लिस्ट हुई नहीं है, तो आई एम डिस्कसिंग वीकली चार्ट. नॉर्मली लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए वी ऑलवेज डिस्कस मंथली चार्ट. वीकली चार्ट्स आर डिस्कस फॉर द medium terms. Medium term means 3 to 9 months. But for longer than 1 year horizon, we need to always look at the higher time frame, uh, that is monthly time frame. So once we know that the lockdowns are here and but this stock is registering. अगर देखा जाए इसका highest is around 2000 top level, so it can touch any time there. So once this unlock happens, it is definitely going to go beyond 2000, and if all things goes normal, so 3000 level may be coming very soon. But keep doing SIP रेगुलरली. वंस यू सी इज ओके यू हैव मनी, तो फेयर वैल्यूज़ तो इसकी मतलब अभी नहीं लगा सकते क्या है. तो इट इज़ अराउंड 1500 to 1600 rupees, but market always discounts the growth. And in future, once the everything comes to normal, this stock will run very high and then people will start catch up. So keep doing SIP. Once comes down, keep doing SIP as much the money you have. So we can see the charts. If we see that it is taking support around 1700 levels, and yesterday it closed around 1770 levels, and today it has run up to 1823 levels. So now let's go back to the second stock. So next stock is CAMS, Computer Age Management Services. It was listed around 6 months back. So this is a promoter holding is around 31%, which is low, but public holding, which is very less, that is 7%, and rest is with the institutional investors and the insurance companies. तो इसका अगर आप म्यूचुअल फंड्स खरीदते हैं या सिप करते हैं तो आपको कैम्स का पता होगा. एंड अलॉन्ग विद कारवे दे आर द ओनली 2 RTAs, रिकॉर्ड ट्रैकिंग एजेंसीज. जो भी आपकी ट्रांजैक्शन होती है, whatever you do with the mutual funds, everything goes with the Carve or CAMS, and CAMS is the only listed player. Say in future if Carve wants to list itself, तो इसका re-rating फिर से होगा, तो it may fly further high. तो why it has an edge over Carve right now? Because it has the improved digitization. Even investors or distributors, they can have their investments done on the fingertips. कारवे की भी एप्लीकेशन अच्छी हैं, बट दे हैव द मोबाइल एप्स बट नॉट द वेब ऐप. ठीक है, तो बट यस द जो AMCs both of them have are equally good. CAMS also caters to all major AMCs like SBI, ICICI, HDFC, Kotak, DSP, PPFS, that is Prag Parik, and many more. So, and then Carve has Axis, PGIM, and Mirai, etc. So both have the equal edge, and it all depends upon the investor's choice whom they want to list. But these both businesses are going to be rocking. And also CAMS is a POS for e-insurance repository and NPA services, which are giving it a very good business in future as well. So these are the growth drivers for Carve and for CAMS. And in future if it also opens its you can say broking services or then it may be a icing on the cake. So it is an evergreen business. So valuations are a bit high. It has run up again today 1 or 2%, but we are not taking it for 1 or 2 days or maybe 1 week. So the valuation metrics, price to book is high 27, P is high, that is price to earning is 68, ROC is very good 51% and expected to grow more, ROE is 26%. See, they don't need huge buildings or jazzy buildings, so they need just the human capital where they need to invest more, right? So that they can handle the request. But with the growing digitization, that load is also decreasing. With COVID, it has helped them actually to increase their businesses rather than being a burden on them like other companies. So again, let's see the chart. Much of the monthly data again is not available, and so for the last week after breaking out from 2100, it went all the way to 2400 levels plus levels, and it has the major distance around 2200 and retest levels from the breakout are 2140. So currently it is in the consolidation phase again for the last few days only. Then after once it starts its journey again, it can touch again you can say 2400 plus levels, and if it breaks that, then again it can start a new run up. So it is taking always support at the 20 EMA, that is exponential moving averages, maybe weekly or you can say daily, both are, it is not breaking that. So that level is what I talked about is 2200 levels. So again, because everything has run up, so please do your own due diligence, and if you know the charts, look after the charts, and otherwise start sipping these stocks. These are going to be wealth generator for the next 5 years or even more. CDSL, why I have written it as आपके स्टॉक की तिजोरी, वो CAMS म्यूचुअल फंड की तिजोरी है, तो ये स्टॉक की तिजोरी है. So like CAMS, this is a stock holding, stock holding for all the stocks, and along with NSDL, they are the only two, and CDSL is the only listed player in the market. So as per the recent data, it has around 95% reach over the households of the all over the India, including the villages, which is very huge actually. So during the COVID, people were sitting at home and everyone wants to buy the stocks now. So जितना इन्वेस्टर इन अवेयरनेस होगा, जहाँ इन्वेस्टर पॉपुलेशन इंडिया में बढ़ेगा, उतना ही इन कंपनीज को फायदा है. दिस इज अ फेल सेफ बिजनेस. सो सबसे बड़ी बात, BSE इज इट्स मेन प्रमोटर. सो दैट्स वाई बोथ BSE and CDSL are like BSE will rise when CDSL will rise, right? But CDSL, again, it has nothing to do. You don't come to know about CDSL daily apart from the stock, because then it is a very asset light model. अगर मैं बाकियों की एसेट लाइट मॉडल की बात कर रहा हूँ, तो इसका तो कुछ पता ही नहीं है लोगों को ऑफिस भी कहाँ पे है. तो म्यूचुअल फंड्स और मे बी the stock brokers only register their securities with them. It's kind of a tijori for your stocks. Once stock brokers buy your stock, if your account is with CDSL, they will deposit with CDSL. और अगर आपका NSDL की डिपॉजिटरी है, तो it will be deposited with NSDL. If you are not doing that, if you're not getting that report, then contact your broker immediately, because your stocks should not be with the broker. It should be with NSDL or CDSL. But yes, it will be shown in your trading account or demat account, so that you can trade them. Again, its valuations are very high. It is on a constant run up since March 2020. After that breakdown, it has run up around 3 times now. So its support level is around 770. तो इसका वैल्यूएशन देख लेते हैं. इसका प्राइस टू बुक इज 10, P is 32, ROC is 32, again very good, RO is 25. So these all stocks require actually, if you can do SIP when the market breakdown, or do a pyramiding when the stocks, like just decide when you are going to buy next, when you are going to buy next. Suppose it touches 800 levels, then it come back to 760, you buy one there. But once it significantly crosses 800, then you can buy one there. So do kind of a pyramiding, that in a SIP mode kind of stuff. Again, it is riding above the 22 EMA weekly charts. So you can see the charts, and once it comes near to that, then you can always buy these kind of stocks, because they are taking support and they are not going to fall much. They are kind of going to generate a good wealth for you in future. Indian Energy Exchange, one of my favorite stocks. All right, so it is kind of energy booster for your portfolio. It has already run up. It has already given 2.5x returns in last 6 months. So this is energy booster for your portfolio. Why? And इस कंपनी का लोगों को ज़्यादा पता नहीं है. ये कंपनी एक ऑटोमेटेड प्लेटफॉर्म है और इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर है फॉर कैरिंग आउट ट्रेडिंग इन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी यूनिट्स फॉर फिजिकल डिलीवरी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. इट इज़ सर्टिफाइड बाय CERC, राइट. सो उसमें क्या होता है, जो अपनी इंडस्ट्रीज़ हैं, जहाँ डिफरेंट यूनिट्स हैं, डिस्कॉम्स हैं, they don't buy electricity directly from the grid. They do it through some exchange. It may be through Power Trading Corporation or Indian Energy Exchange, but Indian Energy Exchange is on a very high driver path, and they have more convenient business drivers or platforms, you can say. But Power Trading Corporation is not so user friendly. So participants of IEX power generators are coal, hydro, solar, wind, etc. All thermal plants, coal, solar, wind generators are providing their units to them, that they have that much of the availability. And then distribution companies, industrial unit buyers, industrial unit sellers. उसमें क्या होता है, जो शुगर एंड राइस मिल्स हैं, दे हैव देयर ओन सिस्टम्स विच जनरेट द यू कैन से हीट एनर्जी एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. सो उनकी जो एनर्जी है, उनके पास एक्स्ट्रा यूनिट्स बच जाते हैं, दे डोंट रिक्वायर दैट, एंड दे सेल इट टू IEX. which then again sells it to the industry. So this is the way they exchange their units. तो रिसेंटली इंडियन गैस एक्सचेंज भी इन्होंने स्टार्ट किया जहाँ पे गैस की ट्रेडिंग करेंगे, और इसका जो हाईएस्ट their trade volume is growing day by day, and it was highest ever, that is 22.42 billion units in the March quarter, and they have generated highest ever revenue. Inka revenue and profit was highest in the March 2021 quarter, and now they have also started trading the electricity with the neighboring countries like Nepal and Bhutan. So they are expanding their base. Maybe in future they start exchanging with other neighbors as well. Maybe Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, right? So the future is clearly visible. So the best levels are to accumulate around 340, 360 levels, which are again 20 EMA. So the valuation metrics, again, we can see that price to book value is very high, price to earning is very high, ROC and ROE are too good, and they all are almost zero debt companies, and this only company has only 2 to 3 18 crores of debt, that is 0.02 of the debt equity ratio. So again you see this is riding in a channel. So and whenever it comes near the bottom line of the channel, it just runs back. So right now it is again trading at just the bottom of the channel around 370 rupees. So after running up to 400 levels, it is cooling down. Its results are very good. And what happens, sometimes operators brings these kind of stocks down also, maybe some profit booking as well. And what happens, the retail investor sells, and these institutional investors then buy these stocks. So keep these stocks with in your tijori, like okay, these will be energy booster for your portfolio. Naukri, Info Edge. So you must be knowing about this company. If you don't know, so शिक्षा, नौकरी, शादी, घर, सुरक्षा और खाना सब एक साथ देता है. इसके डिफरेंट पोर्टल्स हैं, जीवन साथी, 99 एकड़, शिक्षा.com, और देन policy.bazaar एंड जोमेटो में ये एक होल्डिंग कंपनी है. इट वाज फाउंडेड इन 1995 एंड दे स्टार्टेड विद ओनली विद द जॉब पोर्टल फर्स्ट. धीरे धीरे उन्होंने बाकी बिजनेसेस भी स्टार्ट किए, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट दे हैव 23 more online companies where they are having substantial holding, right? Minor stakes हैं, किसी में 2% है, किसी में 10% है, but they are having a very good vision about that. So they have 2 unicorns which are $1 billion and above, which are Zomato and Policybazaar. So you can see their holdings in that. अभी ये क्यों गिर रहा था? Basically it is having a Zomato IPO hangover. They are diluting their stake in Zomato. And what I think is basically there may be 2 reasons. One is operators can bring it down because it is the news in the market that इनका जो valuation expected था Zomato से, that was around $1.5 billion, and the IPO is around $3 billion, means they are getting the double price. तो लोगों से निकलवाने के लिए भी इसके प्राइस को डाउन लाया जा सकता है. और दूसरी चीज जो है, व्हाट आई थिंक इज दैट पीपल डोंट हैव द विजन कि जो जोमेटो का प्रोसीड्स आएगा वो एक कहाँ पे इन्वेस्ट करेंगे. बट द वे दे हैव ऑपरेटेड, it is clearly visible that they must having some strategy, otherwise they would not have diluted their stake in Zomato, which is also a very fast growing business, the online food delivery business, right? So iski return ratio, if you see, are all negative, but this company is very having a positive cash flow rich because they are getting good money from this Zomato, Policybazaar, etc., and other online companies, so which is not accounted in their balance sheet. So if you see on the monthly close basis, the sport is around 50 DMA, on weekly chart is 412 is that sorry, I have written as a DMA, it should be EMA. So these are good levels to accumulate, but today it reversed from 4250 levels. It has touched again 4400 levels, and I'm expecting it to cross 5000 level very soon. And this again is a very good, like it had a this stock had a dream run in the last 2 years, from 1200 levels to 4000 levels in no time. So again it was in oversold zone, and but yes, and see, if you can see, it made a triple bottom formation, and it started taking up from there itself. So guys, you means you can take your own decision, and this is all from my side. You can contact us anytime if you need any help regarding your investment decisions, or you can contact us. That's all from my side. Thank you very much, and have a good day and good happy investment.